Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Amira Zohra from Darussalam Gontor University. Today, I will present about our paper. The title is Anemia Recognition Android Apps Using Video-Based Learning Method. There are three authors in this paper. They are Mr. Dihin Muryatmoko, Mrs. Triana Harmini, and myself, Amira Zohra. Introduction. Anemia is the most common nutritional problem worldwide, mainly due to iron deficiency. Iron deficiency is not limited to adolescents with low rural socioeconomic, but show an increasing prevalence in advanced and developing societies. The prevalence of anemia in adolescents is 27% in developing countries and 6% in developed countries. Based on data from the Indonesian government, the total stunting rate in 2019 was 27.67%, and based on the Ministry of Health Risks of Basic Health Research data from 2013 to 2018, there was an increase in the prevalence of anemia in the 15 to 24 years age group, from 18.4% to 32%, or around 14.7 million people. Coordinating Minister for Human Development and Culture, Muhajir Effendi, said that anemia in adolescents needs to get more attention because teenagers who suffer from anemia mostly feel symptoms of being tired easily, so that it can have a bad effect of teenagers in their activities. This research was conducted from the development of Remaja Putri Anti-Anemia mobile application. In that application, young women will get to exposure to edu-entertainment, such as reading comic, monitoring food journal and supplement intake, as well as trying a variety of healthy food at snack recipe. The education of anemia in this application is in the form of animation comic that tell about anemia. The design used is in the principle of an emotion design or comic feature. After doing interview and observation with several students, University of Darussalam Gontor, with the Remaja Putri Anti-Anemia application, it makes easier for young women to recognize about anemia with reading comic. But on the other hand, this application have several problems, such as a presence of several female students who don't like reading comic. Also, the many slides and too long conversation in comic make a teenager feel bored and not interested in continue to reading a comic. From this problem, an interactive learning media application was developed in the form of anemia recognition Android app using video-based learning method. Video-based learning method is the one of the video-based method in the application of learning in 4.0 era. Video-based learning can be arranged according to learning needs without depending on space and time. There are two elements in video, element audio and visual. In this packaging, video media can be combined with animation. The use of digital video media as health education and learning for adolescents is considered more effective than use of digital comic media. The ability of video media to visualize materials makes the video very effective in assisting the learning process and can help deliver material dynamically. This research used the waterfall method. The waterfall method is the one of the SDLC models that is often used to develop software or information system. The system approach in software development used in this model is systematic and sequential. Steps in the waterfall method are the following below. First is analysis. The analysis carried out is to collect data related to anemia, video-based learning method, procedure for making animated video, and validation for quiz. The result of the analysis obtained with material taken about anemia refers to buku referensi metode Orkesku, rapot kesehatanku dalam mengidentifikasi potensi kejadian anemia gizi pada remaja putri. Video-based learning can be used to present knowledge in an interesting and consistent way. When comparing video-based learning supported by a cognitive approach with text-based learning, the results show a statistically significant difference in improving skill. Making an animated video starts with making a diagram of the research stage and the procedure for developing an animated video that will be made. Then proceed with analyzing the learning material, and the next step is making scenario and storyboard. The application used for making animated videos in this research are Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2019 and Android Studio for making an Android application. Design. The first design process is to design a use case diagram and flowchart application. Then, process with making a mock-up design application and making an animation video learning about anemia recognition. The video in this application consists of 4 videos, namely video of definition anemia, types of anemia, causes of anemia, and prevention of anemia. The final design process is the anemia quiz design. Coding, testing, and maintenance. Coding uses the Java programming language and XML in the Android Studio 4.0 application and SQLite as a database for the questions in the quiz. The study used 5 tests containing software functionality testing or black box, learning material testing, learning media testing, student testing, and general user Play Store testing. The process of maintaining and repairing application is carried based on criticism and suggestion from parties who participate in application testing. Results and discussion. First, I will introduce about product description. In this application, there are 3 menus: the Knowing Anemia menu, the Anemia Quiz menu, and the About Application menu. The splash screen in this application consists of the name and icon application. After the user passes the splash screen, it will enter to the home screen display. On the home screen display, there are 3 buttons that will take the user to each menu. On the Anemia Quiz menu, there are 20 quiz questions related to anemia. This menu is equipped with a time feature as a sign of how much time is left to complete the quiz. If the user succeeds in answering the 15 quiz questions correctly, the user is categorized as having understood anemia well. But if the user doesn't succeed in answering the 15 quiz questions correctly, the user is classified as not understanding anemia well. The video-based learning method in this application is located on the Know Anemia menu. On the Know Anemia menu, there are 4 buttons that will lead to the animation video introducing anemia. The first video is definition of anemia. The second is the type of anemia video, and the third is anemia cause video, and the last is the anemia prevention video. Evaluation test result. The design of this anemia recognition application has gone through several tests and assessments. The first test is software functionality test or black box. The aspect tests are the suitability of the device type and screen size, as well as the success of the application process and result. Based on the test result, show that the application has passed all black box tests and is suitable for device with a minimum size of 5.2 inches. Learning material testing. This test is done to check the learning material content in the application. This test was tested on the material expert, namely a nutrition science lecturer at Unida Guntur, Mrs. Lulu Lutfia. The result of the Learning Material Expert Assessment Questionnaire have an average value of 86%. Learning media testing. This test is done to check from the programming aspect, design aspect, video aspect, audio aspect, image aspect, and writing aspect. This test was tested on Learning Media Expert Unida Guntur, Mr. Mohalwi Yusrun. The result of the assessment questionnaire from the Learning Media Expert have an average value of 80%. Student testing. This test was carried out on non-faculty of health science students who didn't know about anemia. The results of the questionnaire were taken from 4 samples of 15 respondents who had an average score of 94.4%. This value shows that this application is interesting and easy to understand and can add insight into anemia. General User Play Store Testing. This test was done on general Play Store users from 6th of October to 20th of October. The results of the Play Store assessment, namely from 22 users, giving a score of 4.9 out of a total of 5. And the conclusion of our paper is, this research has succeeded in making a learning application about the recognition of anemia based on Android using the video-based learning method. This application has been tested with an average score of 86% from learning material expert, 80% from media expert, non-faculty of health science student with 94.4%, and general Play Store user from 9 October to 20 October, giving a rating value of 4.9. This application can be downloaded via Play Store with the keyword of anemia app. With this application, user can add insight into anemia. Okay, maybe until here I explain about our paper. Thanks for your attention and see you later.